Okay, so let us see here. We have addition problem in 3 bases, in base 2, in base 6, and base 8. So you can see the solution for this one. So in this tutorial, short tutorial, I will just give you this information regarding how you can do this addition in 2 base systems, right? In 2 numbers in any base system. So there can be base 2, right? It can be base 2 as we have done here, that is called binary numbers. It can be base 3, base 4, base 5, base 6, base 7, so on, any base. As you know that base can be any. So, and you know that base means what? So if I have base 2, it means it can have only 2 digits, 0 and 1. If I have base 3, it means it can have 3 digits, 0, 1, 2. It cannot have any other digit than this 3. Right? Same way, I have base 10. The day-to-day life we are using base 10. So it goes from 0, 1, 2, and so on up to 9. Right? So that is the meaning of base. So in this tutorial, I am just telling you that how we can do the addition in any base system. Alright. Okay, so to look for this base addition, let us look for the simple addition that we do in case of decimal numbers, right? Simple decimal addition that we do, like here we have 2 numbers. So we got 2 numbers here. One is 9, another one is 6. So what is 9 plus 6? So 9 plus 6 you have is 15. You directly write it like 15. You know that this one is 15. But 15 is not a single digit. It is having 2 digits, 1 and 5. So how we are getting this one? So 9 plus 6 is 15, but we cannot write 15 directly in base 10 because there is no other digit than 9. So how we can write this? 10 into 1 plus 5. You write it like this. So this thing is same for all, but in all the cases we will just change this base. So here the base is 10, so we have written 10. So 10 into 1 plus 5 is 15. So what I will do, I will write this 5. This 5 goes here. And this 1 that we have goes as a carry from here to here, right? It goes as a carry. So how much you got now? 8 plus 7 plus 1 is 16. Now again 16, you cannot write 16 directly. So what we will do, 16 we can write it 10 into 1 plus 6. So now again same process. 6 goes here and 1 goes as a carry. It goes carry here, so it will directly come here. So it becomes 165 in base 10. That is the simplest basic example of decimal digits addition. Now in the same way we can do the other ones also. Let us see the others that we have done previously. Okay, so these were the examples that we saw in the starting. So base 2. Now the base 2 you got here. Base 2 addition you have to. Now 1 plus 1 is what? 1 plus 1 is 2. But you cannot write 2 in base 2. Because only digits that are possible in base 2 is 0 and 1. So how I can write 2? 2 into 1 plus 0. That is equal to your 2. So this 2, this 0 goes here. It goes like this 0. And this 1 goes as a carry here. So now again 1 plus 0, 1. 1, then it comes here as 1. Same way here it will come 1. 1 plus 1 is 0, 0, 0. That's the answer for this addition. Now you look for the base 6. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10, but you cannot write 10 in base 6. If you have base 6, means digits can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how you can write it like this? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 I cannot write directly. So same process. 10, 6 into 1 plus 4. 6 into 1 plus 4 is equal to 10. So 4 I am going to write here. And 1 is my carry. That 1 goes here. So now how much? 5 plus 4 plus 1, 10 again. Again 4 will come here. 1 will be carry. Now how much? 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So write 7 also in this base. 6 into 1 plus 1. Now 1 goes here and this 1 goes carry. 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. Again 7. So 7 is again here. 1 goes here. 1 carry. Now 4 plus 4, 8. I will do the same process. 8, how I can write 8? 6 into 1 plus 2. So 2 goes here and 1 is here. This is what we have in our base 6. That's all we have in our base 6. Same way you can do the addition for base 8 also, right? Addition for base 8 also can be done in the same way that we have seen. So I'm just writing the answer here. Or let us do for this one digit. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is 12. But 12 is not possible in base 8. So in base 8, the digits that are possible is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to 7. So how I'm going to write 12? 12 is written like this. 12 is your 8 into 1 plus 4. So 4 goes here and 1 goes here as a carry. Now how much you have? 7, 14 plus 18. So 18 we got now. 18 how you write? 8 into 2 plus 2. So 8 into 2 plus 2. So you will write 2 here. 2 is carry now. So now how much we got here? 6. So how much we got? 18. 18 again. So 2 here. 2 carry. This one is now 22. So 22. How will you write 22? 8 into 2. 8 into 2 is 16. So 16 plus how much is 22? 16 plus 6. So 6 goes here and 2 is carry. So that's your answer for this. So I hope you got an idea over here how we are going to do the addition in different bases. It's very simple. Just we have considered the integer part, but fractional part also can be done in the same way that we will see in other tutorial. So that's all for this tutorial. If you have any doubts, you can put it in comment section. Any base you can do addition like this, right? Any base. Okay. Okay, let us finally take an example of hexadecimal numbers. So in this case, the numbers that are given to you is 9 plus e. So let us just review this thing. Hexadecimal means base is 16. Base that you have is 16. So numbers can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. After 9 we have A, B, C, D, E, and finally F. So numbers are like this. Base is 16. So means you have total 16 digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 15. So total it becomes 16. Now the numbers that you have here is 9 plus E. First digit is 9 plus E. Now tell me what is 9 plus E. 9 plus E, 9 is your 9. E is how much? E is 14. E is 14. So you do it like this. 14 plus 9 is 23. 14 plus 9 is 23. But 23 you cannot write directly in base 16. So again, how you write 23 in base 16? You write it like this. 16 into 1 plus 7. 16 into 1 plus 7 is equal to 23. So this 7 goes here and this 1 is the carry. This one is the carry that goes here. So as you have noticed up to this point that we are just changing the base here. First example it was 2, then it was 6, then it was 8. Depending on the base you just find this one. For how much multiplication and addition you will get this number. Right, like that. So 1 is carry. Now let us look for the another one. It is 8 plus 1, 9, and then 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. So 16. Now again you write it like this. 16. How you can write 16? 16 we cannot write in base 16. So how we write it? 16 into 1 plus 0. So this 0 goes here, and your 1 is the carry. So 1 goes here. Now again you do the addition. B is what? B is 11. 11 plus 8 is 19 plus 1 20. So how you'll write 20 now in base 16? You can write 16 into 1 plus 4. So your 4 goes here and your 1 is again the carry. Now the next one, 10 plus 4 14 plus 1 15. So how you'll write 15? 15 you can write it, okay, 15 no need to divide like this. 15 we can write directly because f is the 15. So answer is F407. So you see how simple it is to add two numbers in any base system. Any base, you can take it any base and you can do the additions like this. So you can consider subscribing to this channel if you want to look for such kind of things in the future also. I will be putting such kind of short videos which will be very helpful for you, and you can come back to these videos later when you require in industry such things or in your academics. That whenever you require such revision, you can come. Okay, so consider subscribing if you like this.